Hey pals, John here with the LensPal, and today we're going to podcast. Rodecaster Pro II. I keep wanting to call it the Podcaster, but it's not. It's the Rodecaster. This is a 4 XLR input switcher. You can also do, it's got a couple of USB-C ports on here. It's got Bluetooth capability, so you can connect up your phone and use it for like a call-in show. But this is actually a fantastic piece of kit that we have here. You have 8, they call them smart pads over here, so you can cue them up, and I'm going to make sure the audio is down a bit because I don't want to blare this through you. Through your ear holes as you're watching this, but there are a bunch of different sound effects that you can have in here, little teasers, and there are also a bunch of voice
changing effects. This is one of Liz's favorite. She calls it Cookie Monster. And yeah, so this is all
happening sort of real time, and best of all, there's even which hopefully that worked, because I wasn't actually watching the screen when I pressed the button. It should have done. I was pressing it nice and hard. So you have 4 sliders for your 4 inputs. You also have another slider for your effects, and you have a Bluetooth slider here. Those are your 6 physical sliders. Then you have on the screen, you have 3 virtual sliders that you can adjust here. So these are going to be your USB sliders and your feedback sliders that are right there. It also has a micro SD card slot, so you can record straight to this, or you can hook it up via USB-C to your computer and record that way as well. So it's a pretty versatile piece of equipment. But perhaps the best thing of all is the fact that we are putting this out there as a 2-person kit. That means you get one of these fantastic microphones. Well, I lied. You actually get 2 of these fantastic microphones. All the cables that you need to hook it up. So the XLR cables, you get 2 sets of headphones, the micro SD card, which is 32 gigs, and this is telling me I'm going to get over 12 hours of recording on this. And yeah, absolutely fantastic piece of kit. We've had this out since we got it in on early Friday morning. We've been playing around with it. Liz just likes to come back and put on the
Cookie Monster sound voice and just say things into it and make herself laugh. It's
kind of fun. You also
have pitch up
and
voice disguise,
megaphone. Those are all the built-in ones. You can actually customize and import your own sounds and effects and mixers. So you can come in, you can create a back channel, you can create a trash talk thing. If you have effects that are or sounds that you want to load in specific, if you have your own show perhaps that you want to do, connect this up to your PC using the Rode Connect app, and you can load things in there. So if you have a bed that you like to use, or specific sounds, cheering or stings for different guests and hosts, whatnot, all of that, it can be loaded, preloaded into this, ready to go. And there are actually up to 8 banks of these. So 8's to 64. You can have 64 different effects, sounds, mixes, all going on right here. So it's actually pretty fantastic. This itself has Wi-Fi capability built into it. It also has an Ethernet port on the back, so it's got plenty of ways of connecting up to your network. Yeah, it's we've been thoroughly enjoying it. I'm actually kind of looking forward to taking it home and testing it out myself, getting a little bit more in depth with it. But yeah, it's a nice piece of equipment. Even better as a 2-person kit. If you've enjoyed this video, if you found it helpful or informative, please consider giving us a like, subscribe, share, 5-star rating on Apple iTunes. And until next time, I'll see you soon.